Namaste. Welcome to the School of Hotel Management and Tourism at DBUU, Uttarakhand University. Let me showcase you the learning of a school.
Our food and beverage service, where we have a bar operations, which is one of the cool aspects of F&B.
Excuse me, ma'am, your drink. Excuse me, sir, your drink.
My name is Rohit Singh Rana and I am a final year student with the specialization of bakery and patisserie. Today I would like to present our preparation what we make chocolate.
We not only learn the theoretical aspects about the room division, but also we learn the experiential learning as well.
In one folio, you can create maximum 8 folios.
Is going to take. During the stay is another stage of guest cycle.